MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you this 2019 GS22. This has a black with a master's blue. This thing looks really nice. Come on to the back here. Got the standard NSS system. We got surf pipe and the NCRS system down here as well. All standard on the Nautiques. Let's go take a look inside. So as we come in, you can see you have a nice walk-through. Sea deck, gray sea deck all the way through. The seat cover does come off, so you can step on through and you don't have to step on any of your cushions. We did equip it with the ski tow bar. So this ski tow bar just comes right up. So if you're still a skier and you want to ski, this is a great place to do that. Nice wraparound seating. This does lift up, so somebody can sit there, there. Storage all over the place. 7.7s on the tower speakers. Get your backup cam up here. And then at the helm we have our standard 12.4 inch link pan array. A nice walk through the bow. GS22 has a nice big bow, nice lot of area. Come on down to MarineMax, take a look at this boat.